welcome family. This is the Velvet Locks with another one of these wonderful sit down videos for you today. Today I got some wonderful tips to help you to get that slimmer body and to also live longer. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. Look slimmer and live longer. So let's get into this video right now. The first thing you should do if you're trying to look slimmer, get that slimmer snatch body for the summer. Okay, summer's right around the corner, but listen, in order for you to get that slimmer body, you gotta forget about the dessert. At the end of your meal, when you're dining out, the best drink to have is green tea, and have that in replacement of a dessert. Now, if you cannot do without the sweets, eat them in the afternoon. By reducing the number of sweets, you will reduce the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Number 2, do not overdo it with the food. Now, what you need to do when you're out there eating or even when you're home, you should always stop before you get overly full. Only eat until you are satisfied, comfortably satisfied. This way, you will maintain a slimmer line and save your health. Also eat smaller sequences of different foods during your meal. Never fill your plate completely or serve a large portion. Each food should be served separately, and less is always more. Number 3, eat salmon or sushi. Now, this food has an important source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for the functioning of the brain and heart health. Fish-rich foods are one of the key factors, which makes it hard for you to have high cholesterol and heart disease problems. Number 4, move more. You should spend less time in a sitting position and walk more. 2 hours of walking every day can add an extra 7 years on your life. Now, exercise should be a part of our daily routine. So do exercises like cycling, hiking, swimming, and running. Number 5, do not avoid good bacteria. Now, good bacteria strengthens your immune system. Foods that are fermented accelerates the growth of healthy bacteria in your intestines. Okay, family, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to join me in the next one. Bye. Hey, fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.